His Excellency, my governor, I bring something come. When I come from Lagos, they say I come River State, and they say I come governor house. Now I prepare come. See what I bring come. My governor, I carry bag come. Where I go take carry money. I don't want you hungry go. If you see that they lie, Lagos State governor know this bag. But yes, I know him. Oga they call somebody. I don't go with empty hands. Chineke ekwele ihe ọjọọ. Abi Anambra-Born. One day. Oh yeah, run sharp sharp. Run sharp sharp. After the running, we feel go home. I am a debe. I am a da do it. Oh God, the good things you they do. Now you be the first governor where I hear. Where that's all the civil servants. 100,000. Make una clap for him now. I never hear that before. All pensioners, God pay all of them. Governor pay all of them. From today, I won't confess. My first son go answer Simi. I don't want to know what's in the name of me. Call me Papa Simi. Call me Papa Simi. From today, you don't adopt me. I am a debe. I am a da do it. I dey wait may who then send message to come back before I come out. I be Igbo man. Because if I come out now, story go enter. I don't go see Oga again. Mama, you know what's up. Mama, they give me eye, make I wait. Mama, we know what's up. She they give me eye. Wait and collect it in. I have a debe sagara go debra dibri to it. If you never reach to marry, I beg no marry you. Wife don't finish. Wife they no day again. Waiting day now for life. My people will no send us. I swear for life. Wife finish 2005. 2010, time they marry the last one. Waiting day for life now. Shisha smokers, people will go challenge you. I am a debe. I am a da to it. My SSG. Very humble man. SSG, we no get pride. SSG, we no get pride. If you see am for road, they waka, you go see say na police you be. You no get pride. And na him bring me here. God will go bless you. Chineke go see you. See this life you see. MC, no vessel. That man must come back. I am a David. So they here. Woman. Igbo woman today. Na person salary. I know the rules. I know rules and regulations. DJ, hold on. Ladies and gentlemen, good night.